Hey guys, this is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Going to take you through our brand new 2023 Premier 250 Solaris. Why don't we step inside? We can take a look at all the new features. All right guys, starting on the stern of the boat here, we have our Mercury 300 horsepower Verado on the back. This is going to provide a ton of power for you guys. You're going to be able to do whatever water sports you want to do, skiing, tubing, wakeboarding, whatever you want, as well as the included ski tow bar. It's going to be really nice to have that be sturdy whenever you guys are going. On the back, you're going to see we have our gas-assisted ladder. This is going to make it really easy when you're getting in and out of the boat, and then when you're putting it up, it's going to snap up for you and stow away very securely when you're underway. As we move into the boat, you can see we have this awesome new seating concept. This is called the Revos seating concept from Premier. This platform right here is a full seating whenever you guys are underway, and then it'll actually spin around so that you guys can sit off the side of the boat. I can do a little bit of that for you here. You can see it'll turn over, and there's actually a ladder off of the side and speakers out there, so you guys can have a full party zone off the side of the boat whenever you guys park out in one of those coves or whatever you may be doing. As we move forward, you can see we have the dual helm chairs options. This makes it so that you can sit next to your co-captain, partner, whatever it may be, and have a really nice time facing forward. On the helm, we have it fully equipped with everything that you could ever want. JL audio throughout the boat, Simrad Go 9, and we have digital throttle and shift on that 300 horsepower Mercury. Gonna make a really easy transition forward and reverse, make it really easy to drive. Then as we move forward, you can see we have our full bow seating. Underneath every single one of these seats, you're gonna find really deep storage. And this is actually full fold out storage, so it's gonna sit low. You can have everybody reaching in here very easy, fully roto molded. So it's really high quality, and you're not gonna have those piano hinges that can break every once in a while. And then also we have cup holders that are recessed all over the boat. You can never have too many cup holders for what you're looking for. Again, this is the 2023 Premier Solaris 250. And this is Tyler Smith here at Texas MasterCraft. Give me a call and we can get you set away.